What's up, guys? We're back with the video here. One I didn't want to make, but oh man, this guy is dying over here. So check it out. We're booked at Dodger Stadium this morning. Why? Because Big Mama, my mom, got diagnosed with COVID. So now, because we've been in contact with her, we all have to get tested. We're not really showing any symptoms except for this guy, but we're on our way to Dodger Stadium. We'll show you guys how it is. So here we are at Dodger Stadium. This line is long, so we have to, we're supposed to go up Vin Scully, make a left. People are here catching the Rona. And there's cops everywhere. So for the Rona testing, for the COVID-19 testing, go up Vin Scully and you're gonna make a left on Stadium Way. Yeah, look. And then you gotta get in this line right here, and it's long. We have our appointment at 9:30. We have the appointment at 9:30, but I think we're gonna be in line for so long that by the time we get up to the testing site, it's gonna be 9:30. So first they check your appointment, make sure you got your appointment ready, go up the line, and they tell you which line to get into. Man, I miss this place and it's overpriced talking. Look at $50 for parking. Where else are you gonna pay $50 to park your car? To come watch a baseball game. I miss the Cholo fights, little Travesitas. I miss the Dodger. The girls that come to Dodger Stadium don't know nothing about baseball. Just, is that somebody you know? Yeah, they can't tell you 5 players on the Dodgers. Come on, chica, let's go. Let's go see los Dodgers. So we're in line right now. Again, our appointment's at 9:30. It's already 9:15, and we've been in line since 9 o'clock. So it's taking us 15 minutes already from the street to get up the little pathway here. So about 2 lines coming up the hill convert over to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines across. There's a welcoming sign. 2 big fellas getting tested. 2 guys sitting in the big truck 5 feet apart because they're not gay. Because they're not positive. All right, so now it's telling us, the sign up there is telling us to tune to a radio station here. How do you do that? How do you go to the radio? There it is, AM 10 something. So again, update, we've been in line since 9 a.m. It's already 9:30. And our appointment is at 9:30. So a good rule of thumb is wait in line at least 30 minutes before your appointment, because by the time you get up to the testing site, which I think it's way up there somewhere, it should be time for your appointment anyways. And then you get up to this point, it says tune into AM 1620, and then there's like further instructions on what to do. So you get to the first checkpoint area, and then they check to make sure you got your appointment up. So this guy's checking, she's pulling her phone out. So after that checkpoint, they go ahead and they verify that it's your appointment. They ask you first, last name, appointment number. They ask you to proceed to the little half bunkers over there. So there's a video playing right there that tells you exactly what to do when you get up to the bunker right there. Are you paying attention, mijo? See what the next step is. Look at the line. So there's a video playing on the screens. Tells you what to do when you get up to those bunkers. Open the swab package. All right, sir. We're pulling up to the window right now. They're using I can't record this, but they're using like a reacher grabber, one of those things that old people use, and they're handing it to you by like up through your window. Yeah.
Are you familiar with the testing?
We saw the video.
Okay, so you know it's an oral test. There's instructions inside of the bag to help guide you. There's also people up front to help teach you the step-by-step, okay?
Okay.
Your name is written on the bag. Make sure you're the one taking that test.
No, yeah, that's yours.
Other than that, go all the way forward with your window rolled up. Have a great day.
Thank you. Hey, don't cough on me. You have to. Oh, clearly you were not watching. Not watching the video. I was recording. Stupid ass.
So cough. All right. Cough deeply 3-5 times.
Oh yeah.
Inside you each. So pull the little chingaderas out. Until the tongue, the roof of the mouth. Inside each cheek. Oh man. Where's the tubito? What's the console for? Just leave it in there?
Uh-huh.
And you grab your tube, throw it in there, break off the rest.
La verga.
Okay, let me put my mask back on. Now what? Put it back in the bag?
Yeah, shake.
Dude, what's the console for? I guess we just leave the cotton swab in there.
Let's do it?
Yeah. Here, give me yours.
Hold on, I got the picture.
Come on.
Here.
And that is it, people. Once you drop it off into that blue bin back there, you just drive out. That's how easy it is to go get tested, people.
This is how it sounds. Turn this record over and learn why they saved your life.